I'm Anastasia Chatzka. I'm a fashion designer, pattern maker, and sewing educator, and I'm so happy you're here sewing along with me today. Today, I'm going to tell you how to get your spools of thread for $1. Yes, this is real. This is not a scam. I'm going to show you and tell you how to get thousands of colors of thread for $1 a spool. So follow along and stay to the end because this is awesome. Before we get into it, I just want to let you know none of this is sponsored. I just really wanted to share this information with you because it is awesome. So let's talk about that thread. The economy right now is turned upside down. Everything is starting to cost more and more and more. When I go to the big box stores, thread is like $5 and $6 for a spool of thread now. I used to be able to go to the store with a coupon, a 60% off coupon, and get a spool of thread for like 80 cents. And that was awesome. And I didn't really think too much of it, just kind of thought that was normal price. But now that seems like it was so cheap because now thread is so expensive. Not only is it really expensive, but the colors are so limited. There's like maybe 7 colors. And you know what? Fabrics come in so many colors, way outside of 7. So what am I gonna do? It's expensive and there's like no colors to choose from. So I went on a giant research mission. I went looking high and low for the best quality thread at the cheapest price because I have a lot of students and we use a lot of thread and I needed a lot of thread. There was no way I was spending $5 a spool. So I was thinking I need to go directly to the source. I need to go to the manufacturer who manufactures thread. But I don't need 5 million spools of thread. I just needed a few hundred. So I was nervous that maybe they wouldn't even sell me a few hundred spools of thread. But awesomeness, I found a place that will sell you as few as 5 spools of thread. What amazing. So just think, you could buy 5 spools from a big box store for $30, or you could buy 30 spools of thread for $30, and you could basically have every color you're ever going to need for all of your projects for the same price. Isn't that great? And I've got to show you all of the colors right here in this book. There are thousands to choose from. If you're enjoying this video so far about thread, dollar thread, what? Make sure you subscribe to Sewing Anastasia and hit the notification bell so you know when all the new videos come out. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for watching today. Now let's get back to thread. The amount of thread options is so amazing. Just look at all the different shades of pink and purple we have right here. And there's still more pink in this book. We've got purples, we've got yellows, we've got oranges, we've got tans, we've got blues and greens and neons and all these ishy kind of mute colors. And we've got more greens and more grays. And how many shades of black are there? Well, there's more than one shade of black if you didn't know. And if we keep on going, we've got trendy colors, we've got more neon colors, we've got more grays and blacks, and then we've got a bunch more trending colors over here. This is just so amazing. It is endless, the amount of thread that you can order in so many different colors. This is such a game changer going forward for having matching thread. So you're probably wondering, how did I find this thread manufacturer? Well, I went on Alibaba and I started reaching out to thread companies, and I found one that had a price point that I was looking for and a quantity that I was looking for because I didn't need 10,000 spools of thread and I didn't want to pay $5 for a spool of thread, right? So I found a company that had a minimum order of 5 spools, and with shipping and everything included, it came out to $1 a spool. So that's 5 spools for $5. Awesome, exactly what I was looking for. So I thought this was too good to be true, right? Like there had to be a catch somewhere. How was I gonna get a spool of thread for $1, right? But I needed thread, so I went for it. I placed an order of 300 spools, and guess what? 300 spools of thread showed up. And you might be thinking that thread's $1, it's probably junk, right? But it's not. I tried it out and it is great. I've definitely ordered some thread off Amazon before and it was pure junk. You'd sew with it and it would break real easy and it would fuzz real bad into your machine. But this thread is quality and it's only $1 a spool. I just can't stop saying that because it is so amazing and I'm so happy to share this with you guys. So I know you're probably not ordering 300 spools, but that's the great thing about this company. You don't have to order 300 spools. You can just order what you need in so many different colors, you guys. The colors are phenomenal and they will send you a PDF of all the different colors so that way you can choose from them, or you can also order color cards and then choose from them directly at home. So I hope next time you need to order thread, you are going to check out this company so you can get your thread for $1 too. And since you watched to the very end of this video, you're probably wondering, what is the name of this company, right? Well, it is called Flying Wheel Thread, and apparently it's been around since 1929. I will put a link down below in the description so that way you can check it out and order some thread for yourself. Thanks so much for watching Sew Anastasia today. I hope you enjoyed learning about this awesome thread company that sells thread for $1. If you have any questions or comments, leave it down below. I'd love to know your thoughts. And if you're not already a subscriber to Sew Anastasia, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when all the new videos come out. And if you are already a subscriber, thank you so much for watching today. And if you don't already subscribe to me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and all those social media websites, make sure you subscribe so that way we can stay connected and creative together. And I would love to see what you've been working on lately, so make sure you tag me in your projects and I can share them with everyone else. Also, you can come join me at a sewing class in my design studio here in Chicago, Illinois. You can do it in person or virtually, so check that out at sewanastasia.com. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.